In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Squarespace. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll share a few tips so each choice is clear. Whether you're offering a downloadable file, a consulting package, a service, or a gift card, the process starts in the same place. From your Squarespace dashboard, look to the left-hand pane and click Products and Services. This takes you to the area where all items for sale on your site are managed. Next, select Products. Think of this as your master list. Anything you add here becomes part of your store. Now, head to the top right and click Add Product. This is your starting point for creating a new listing. Squarespace will ask what kind of digital product you want to sell. Choose the option that best matches what you offer: a general service, a consulting session, a gift card, or a file download. Each one includes fields tailored to that type, so picking the right category will save you time and make the customer experience smoother. After you select the product type, you'll fill in the details. Start with a clear, memorable name so customers know exactly what they're getting. Add a description that outlines the value, what's included, and any important notes a buyer should know. If you have visuals, like a cover image for a download or a simple graphic for a consulting package, add them to make your listing feel polished and trustworthy. Set your price in a way that reflects the value of your digital product. If the product type supports it, you can also add inventory or availability details. For some digital offerings, inventory might simply mean controlling how many spots you plan to sell or leaving it open if there's no limit. As you complete the fields, keep an eye out for any options specific to your selection. For example, a file download will prompt you to attach the actual file you'll deliver, while a service or consulting product will focus more on the scope and expectations. Fill out only what's relevant to your item and keep your language straightforward. Once you've entered everything your chosen product type needs, you're all set. Your new item will appear in the products list alongside anything else you've added. From there, it's ready to be managed with your other offerings and shown to customers on your site. That's the whole process. Click Products and Services, select Products, add a product, choose the digital type, enter the details, and it's listed. Simple, clear, and ready to sell.